to solve. So I come up with the new ideas, with intuitive ideas, and excellent smart writing system. We call it modern writing system. We solve all the problems, and the language becomes so easy, and we can, pronounce writing and reading exactly matching, like 95%, matching, which is amazing actually. Okay. Okay. Rohingya modern writing system includes only Latin alphabets. Okay. A to Z everybody knows, and on top of these, 2 characters additional on that. Okay. I call it a smart writing system because it's so smart, because it can represent exactly how we pronounce. Our language is one of the most difficult language, everybody knows. But because of that, it took so long time to, make it the perfect language. So I know this is one of the best perfect language because we can write whatever we want to say exactly how we pronounce. Okay, and it uses very few letters and very few vowels, and extremely easy. I say extremely easy because it is really extremely easy, and because writing and speaking exactly match. The more it match writing and reading, the more it becomes easy. So it becomes 95% matching. That's why it becomes so easy. I can teach this one within 15 minutes to anybody who is not even Rohingya. Okay, maybe you can read exactly how we read it, but might not be able to understand the meaning. Okay, so how it becomes so easy? Because a smart vowel technique we use, and I call it vowel multiplications. Okay, that make the language so easy to pronounce exactly how we speak. Okay. Okay, this is the alphabet, which is 28 character set. Okay. So you can see, the orange background, 2 letters. One is Ra, another one is R, which is nasal sound. Other one is Ra. I don't know. This is a retroflex of R. Okay. So another on the blue background actually. This is not new characters, but we change the name of this character. Instead of C, we say Sha. So we replace SH with 1 character C. So we use as a Sha. Okay. So you can see that at the right side, the representation in Burmese actually. So D we use as a Da, not Da like English. T as a Ta. If we want Da, we use D and H. We want Ta, we use T and H. Okay. So the number we use as Arabic numbers, we call this Arabic number actually, not English numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is Arabic numbers. We use these numbers, not like different letter shape. Okay. Okay. Here, how the writing concept come. Okay. We have at the left side we have alphabet. The only thing we added as a ingredient to make the whole thing happen is simply a single quote mark that make the whole language very smart. Okay. This is how the single quote make the whole thing very smart. Okay, here we have vowels at the right side. Okay, at the left side, 2 new characters you can see there. Okay, and okay, so we added vowels to the consonants, so we become B A ba, M A ma, L A ba. E we pronounce as a, not like English. We pronounce E differently. In another word, differently. No, we have fixed sound for each vowel. So E is always A. So be, me, le. I is always fixed E. B, me, li. O is always fixed O, not O. Only O. So bo, mo, lo. U is U only. Bu, mu, lu. When you want O, we say O and U combine together. We say O. B, O, U. Bo, mo, lo. Okay. So we have 6 vowels. So 1 vowel is with 2 characters combined. Okay. So, okay, how we make vowel techniques, multiplication techniques. Okay. So here we have 6 vowels. Okay. Then we added I with the vowel. Then we become A, I, A, Oi, Ui. Okay. We call it cipher vowel. And another one is we call a step vowels. A step means is three different things combined together. I will show you in the next if you check the the display. Okay. Because time restriction, I have to be very fast. Okay. So this one again multiply with this is a straight vowel. We put accent characters. It becomes another set of vowels. Because the first one we read as a A, E, O, U, O, soft. When we put accented character on top of these, we say A, E, O, U, O. Okay. Then again we have the circular vowels. Then we put accented vowels, first character. So we become I, A, O, U. So it becomes soft first one, I, A, O, U, and second one is hard. So it becomes another set of character sets. Okay. For the step vowels, we have three different things. One is long vowel. If we want to extend the vowel, we say double A, R, double E, A, like that. Okay. In the second type is we extending is not straight. When extending, we pull it up. A, E, like that. Okay. Second one is, the first one is pressed and second one is loose. So A, like that. Okay. So all this multiplication becomes, we can use to exactly represent our tune with this multiplication. But only we have 5, vowels, basically. But because of multiplication, we can use so many different ways. Okay. So like a mixing in so many combinations. Okay. So this is a Rohingya Language Foundation logo. Okay. So to give you some examples to taste exactly. Okay. So this is a ba, father. Okay. This is besa, sails, biri, cigar, boro, big or gentle, zura, joint, low, the blood. Okay. The sum of all these vowels can be represented in one sentence. Okay, and if I go on to spend time, okay. So here you can see the left side, all 3 words are similar, but we have 3 different meanings because we pronounce 3 different ways. The first one is biubu, soft, arera, soft, bura, bad. Second one, biubu, soft, arera, bura. So they become the meaning old. Third one, the sentence comes the first. Arera, ra, bura. So bura, bura, bura. So it becomes 3 different sounds, 3 different words actually. Again, we have circular vowels because when we build a house, 4 corners, we need circular the bricks. So like that, we have circular vowels. 4 side means 4 different circular vowels. Here I put example. S-O-I, soy, L means soil. B-E-I-L, B-E-I, bay, L, bay. That is sun. Halla. This is because I sent that halla, empty. This is accented U, that's why kulla, open. Okay. So this is all this we use it. Okay, to make it above a word. Okay. So another one we use it extended. Okay. Dio, do. Because O is O, D is da, it becomes do. This is give me. If you extend it, the same word, do, it becomes like a knife. Okay. Again, the same one, if you put accent at the beginning, do means escape. So if you cannot represent correctly do and do, then you see it will be big disaster, Instead of escaping, you say bring it knife, Again, M-A-M-I and amana means admit. Okay, if you extend it, M-A-A-Ma-na, it becomes different meaning. It's free. Okay. If you use the same word and put accent at the end, mana, that means prohibited. So our language is very difficult, but writing system make you very simple. Okay. The last smart concept is that, okay, which is very difficult to represent by many methods, but this make perfect. Okay. Here, a step vowels has 3 different things. One is ascending. Okay. First one A, soft. A, ascend, A. that means ga, that is singing. Okay. The other middle one, double A, ga, soft board, that means body. Third one, accent first, then soft. So ga means infection. Okay. So we have very fine-tuned pronunciation in this language. Okay. Okay, it has been recognized by ISO. If somebody doesn't know ISO is formed 1946, just after UN was formed, okay, by 25 countries in London. So why they were formed? Because to solve technical problem or technical war, okay, technical war means every country want to develop their own industry or techniques or mobile, for example. So everybody want to standardize their in the product to sell worldwide, but nobody agree that, okay, which one to go for as a standard worldwide. So that's why this fighting against each other country. So to solve an organization required, like UN, so that's why UN was formed, ISO was formed. So there is 156 world members actually there. Okay, so before it was only handling technical problems. Now they also handle languages. After they handle the languages, okay, Rohingya language also was recognized by ISO. So how? Because they recognized on 18 July 2007, and they give computer code ISO 639-3 RAG. RAG stands for Rohingya language. 639 is language code, okay? And you can see this link to go there.
I think we have to go for some questions.
Okay, so this is how it was displayed in the ISO website. Say that okay, it has been approved on 18 July 2007. Okay, you can see in the ISO website and see this information. Okay, so it has been also, the language has been also registered in the World Ethnic Book. Maybe somebody has not known this book. This book is very famous. Every 4 years, this book published to include all the ethnic groups all over the world. So Rohingya has been already included there in 16th edition. Okay. Here, one thing. Okay, I know Kashing, their writing is in alphabet, English alphabet, right? Also Shin, English alphabet. Okay. Now Rohingya also English alphabet. To see at the west side of the Burma, all letters, all writing is English alphabet. Okay. Others they use Burmese, different modification of Burmese script. Okay. Okay. The current usage. Okay. This worldwide usage of our language already. Government sectors, immigration department in many countries they use it. Refugee sector they use a lot for translation. Okay, a lot of translation houses use this language to translate as a Rohingya language. Health sector also, worldwide dictionary you can find in internet also, published by many different authors. Okay, we have been trying to do now Google translation, which should be automatic translation in Google. Okay, major project we have been developing Arabic grammar, which is already 80% completed, and dictionary we have 50% done already, 40,000 words we have already. And Google auto translation will be doing. We have 10% already done. Okay, Quran, which is Bible compared to Christianity. So Quran translation already 95% done, and Quran dictionary already 20% done. Okay, so for whom we have been translating this one? These are all the companies at the right side who have been translating from English to Rohingya language for all these translation houses. Okay. And similarity with other language, if you compare, I can see, the Shedegonian language, which is bordering of Burma, West Burma. Our language is almost similarity with 70%, or intelligent, 70% intelligence. Okay, we have also 30%, Persian Urdu. We have Hindi, 7%, I think, and 4% with Bengali. Okay. This is actually my own research, minority from other places. So this is my own, because I've been doing on this very deeply study on this language developments, because I developed the language, so I have to study so many languages. So on this my own research, this is how ratio our language match each other. So one thing is that minimum matching is Bengali language, because Bengali is very far from our area actually. Only Chittagong, I will show you the map actually. This is the map of Bangladesh map. This is at the right side, the arrow you see is the Burma border. Okay, this is the area which is our language similarity 70%. Okay, and the rest we don't understand, like 4% only intelligence we have. Only Chittagong area which is bordering our language match. Okay, of course other Pashin also mix, because Pashin were occupying the ruling in the Arakan. Okay, so there's a big matches. Okay. And Indian were the first people, settled in Arakan, so their language also mixed. Okay, some example here how Arabic started here. Anyhow, I don't want to mention this. This is Arabic samples, a book here in Arabic. Okay, this is a new character set, which is somebody designed 1982 to write. He was able to pronounce, to write quite perfectly, but the problem is, the internet media is not good. Okay, so this is my one. Okay, this is the book, which is book 1. If anybody want, I can send it. So this is the second page of the book, and this is the following pages. Okay, book 2 there, and we have dictionary. Okay, one thing here, this is an area which is in the book page. Okay, this is Arakan, which is now partly in Bangladesh. It was Arakan Kingdom. So that's why language similarity there actually, because one British divided. So part of Arakan goes to in Chittagong area, part of in Burma. So that was language similarity there in this area. Okay. I think
50 minutes. Excellent.
I think you need the whole section for this.
Yeah.
Because it's very interesting.
It is, yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, very good. But you need, to explain properly. And
because 15 minutes, I have only the.
That's why you need a whole session.
Yeah. So anyway, it's very, very interesting, I think. And we can learn Rohingya language next time. Yeah?
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. I'm not sure about that.
I mean, you can read, but you might not be able to understand.
Anyway,
It has been challenged to many areas. 15 minutes.
let's have some Q&A. So if anyone wants to ask any questions,